Pull up to the honey hole with growing him and throwing in his cushion in the spliff.
Got him. Got something. Pickerel. Not a bad one. Can you bring the pliers up? You got it that time. Tadpole dinner. Here you go. He bit that quick. This snake just won't leave though. He's hanging out all day. There's a healthy looking snake though. Get that net. There you go. You know how they are, right? When you pick them up?
Yeah.
And there you go.
Oh, it's clicking.
Yep. It's a bowfin though. Not big, but not bad. Yeah, can you reel him in? It's a nice one. He's thrashing around. Yeah, it's a nice one. I'm gonna need you to go. I'm gonna need you to go with the net after too. See my lighter rod too. Yeah, just look. You're good. You're good with that one. You're good. No, you're good. All right, like you did it last time. Good. All right. Whew. Is he bigger? He's a little bigger than the other one, right? A little bigger. He was fighting like he was even bigger. Nice one though. He's just got to get revived a little bit. He's gone. Done.
He wasn't doing that.
Wait, yeah, sometimes it takes him a second to kick. Hold on. Wait, my blue one's going too though. Hey, hold on, take this net, take the net. Just keep pressure on him. Now I'm up on this railing. I got one too. Hold on. My other, see if I get over my other one. I might need to reel that in. This one's got some size to fuck. It's in my other one. Oh, wait, yeah, right, yeah, it is. Can you come reel this other one in? If you can. This one, he feels like he's got some size to him. Wait, it's under, right? Is it? Yeah. All right. I gotta get down. I'm on this railing. Okay. All right, give me the net. Here, lift yours up. I'm gonna keep pressure on mine. Oh, yours is gone? Sorry about that. That was my,
Okay.
I messed that one up for you. Cause look at this one though. You got them all the way in though. Here, hold this that for a second. Yeah. This guy's fighting pretty good. He's a nice one. Here, give me. Are you? Woo! Woo, he got us. broke that pole. The eye broke.
Oh my god.
He just broke the pole. Pole I caught him on. This guy's taking me out. Shit. Yes. Yes, you do. That's a nice one. Underneath him, under him.
I'm trying to keep doing.
Ugh.
It's so heavy, that's the problem.
That's a big one. I know.
That was why I missed it the first time, because I didn't expect them to be this heavy. I can't. I really can't. It's so heavy. That's exactly
Hold
why.
this, hold this.
It's so heavy.
That hook got destroyed. Yeah, it's the hook's done. Oh. Is that the biggest one of the day, you think? New rod too. Carp.
Fell out of the fucking
Carp.
boulder right there, baby.
Oh, get my other rod in if you can. You get that rod, he's going right for it. This is not an easy spot to that carp. Remember, rake him in. Get in, he's coming, he's right in here. Put that one down now, fuck it, go with the net. Get in there with the net. Yeah, he's a nice one. Yeah, he's right here, right here. You're gonna get, it's gonna be muddy, but you wanna, oh, he's right there, look, he's nice, he's nice.
I was gonna get him. Holy shit. You gotta go over there.
All right, get down there. You wanna put your shoes on, boots on quick? I don't know. Hurry up, though. I'm just gonna hold him in place. Right there, right there.
It's gonna slide, it's gonna slide.
You got him right there. Got him? Oh. Hold on, hold on.
That's crazy.
Look at that. 13, 15.
$150.
15, here, hold it. He's right at 15. 15-pound carp. 15 pounds.
I'm gonna send him.
Nice throw. Nice throw. He went right in, missile time. Oh man, what were you doing? You were Huck Finn style.
Finish down, my man said, you might want to get your boots on.
First fish on that rod, 15-pound carp, fat.
Fucking loaded.
Yeah.
Loaded.
That was nice. That came out of nowhere too. We were sitting here, what, an hour maybe, and all of a sudden, boom, boom, boom. Almost pulled my rod in the water, almost launched it in the water. Almost lost it before I caught a fish on it. Imagine that.
Wow.
That would have been crazy. You carp chasing?
You don't trust your worms.
That's what I got the carp on. It's a nice fish, right? Yeah. What? It's a nice one, or is it just because that's a? No, that's a nice fish. What is that? That's a sucker. Here. That's a nice sucker.
Sucker?
Yeah, it's a nice sucker.
On the casino? Yeah. Yeah. Look how red he is. Good.
Hold up, hold on. Here, hold him up close with for the other one on the side like that.
So we doing?
Sucker on the,
That's right.
was that on the micro rod?
Micro killer.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's a nice sucker. Show that light rod. How light is that rod? That's why that fight looks so nice on that rod. Look at this. This is a tiny little rod. Oh, is this 2 ball bearing? This is from like what, the casino giveaway?
Yeah.
This was the casino giveaway. We just realized that was a new species, the sucker.
That's right. First one.
First one ever.
On the river.
First one,
Yes, sir.
which also means that was your biggest one.
Right, no doubt.
So you caught a best today, you know?
PB.
Then you caught the PB today, yeah.
Big fish, big reels, got that fish scale, big fish.